the chairman of Somali Welfare Party and the candidate for the president of the Federal Republic of Somalia, mohammed, held a press conference in Mogadishu to present the party's activities if the party wins the election of the country. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate and the most merciful, as the leader of Somali Welfare Party and the candidate for the president of the Federal Republic of Somalia in 2021, I am holding a press conference here in Mogadishu, the capital of Somalia. The candidate said in a press conference that he will do more for the unity of the country and how to achieve prosperity in the country if he becomes the president of Somalia in 2021. On behalf of the party, it's a great honor for me to present to the Somali people the political platform of Somali Welfare Party and the presidential candidate of the Somali Republic, as well as our activities and performance. When we win the election of the country, we will prioritize issues such as national security, reconciliation, education, economic development, community development, and the environmental protection, healthy issues, and as well as the judicial system. Mohammed went on to say that he plans to hold reconciliation in the country. He also said that if his party wins the presidency, his party will support freedom of the press or media, as it is important to protect the freedom of speech. We will prioritize reconciliation in Somalia to achieve peace, unity, and political stability. Economics based on genuine reconciliation program with the participation of traditional leaders, intellectuals, religious leaders, women, youth, and politicians. We are committed to the unity, stability, and prosperity of Somalia. I develop and promote genuine reconciliation to palliate the wounds of civil war. We will establish an independent peace council to lead the reconciliation effort. Thirdly, I strongly believe human rights through the implementation of programs to eradicate injustice and abuses. I want to improve the basic rights of all Somali people. Our focus will be the fight against poverty and ignorance, and the priority will be given the law. I support freedom of the press. We will build an independent human rights committee for how best to ensure the rights of Somali citizens. During the press conference, the chairman of the Somali Welfare Party, Mr. Mohammed, who is a candidate for the presidency, said that they are committed to educating Somali children, which will contribute to the development of the country. I believe that there is a decline in the education system of the country. We also believe the statement of Mandela that was education is the strongest weapon that can bring change, so that our commitment is to educate our children. There will be a way of quality education for children, and we will provide Somali children with free education. And a unified national curriculum will be developed as soon as possible if we win the election. However, the statement of Somali Welfare Party chairman and candidate for the presidency, Mr. Mohammed, comes at a time when the country is expected to gain an access for a free and independent elections. Although no agreement has yet been reached on how and when the elections will take place.